much, hello my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is flying. Gold is unstoppable and sadly, nobody knows where this is going to end. If you look at the Forex Sentiment meter, and you can see here 82% retail traders are still holding their sell position and average selling price is 2048. So you can see 82% retail traders who are holding the sell position are at a loss of 600 to 700 pips, which is not a matter of joke. So my dear friends, if you're also holding a sell position on gold, then you need to be very careful. Yesterday gold made a high of 2141, which was unexpected, and right now we can see that gold is coming down for retracement. So after taking support, if gold bounces back, please try to exit from the position, because in the coming days gold may uh, cross 2150, gold may march towards 2200, or gold may come down to 2100. Nobody can predict the market. That's a reality and you'll have to accept it. We are retail traders, we do not have that capital to drive the market. So the only way to survive in this market is to react according to the market situation. So let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold edges lower in likely technical correction. Gold edges lower in the early Asian session in a likely technical correction after gold futures extended their rally on Tuesday and marked the third straight session at record sentiment. And today, if we look at economic calendar, we can see today we have a speech coming up during the US session by the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So there will be some volatility again. And mostly the market will be waiting for the Friday's NFP. So my dear friends, please be careful. And as we all know, before a major event like NFP, usually market prefers to stay silent. But this week is exceptional, because we will be remembering this week for a long time, because this kind of move is totally unexpected in an NFP week. Okay, let's look at the chart of DXY. Then we can see that nothing much is going on the chart of DXY or US dollar index. The dollar index is still inside the range only, and the correlation is no longer very fruitful for traders like us. In case dollar index breaks 103 level, 103.40 level, it will be heading towards the next support of 103. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, to continue the upside, DXY will have to cross 104.20. And if you look at the chart of US government bond yields, which is playing a very important role, you can see bond yields are going down. If the selling pressure on US government bond yields continue, then we will see further upside on the chart of gold because of the opposite correlation. The next support on the chart of US government bond yield is around 4.089%. This is the next support on the chart of bond yields. And we can clearly see market was an uptrend, but recently there is a change in the structure. So after some time, market may go down again. If that happens, we will see upside on gold again. And if you're having a sell, try to exit and keep your one eye on US government bond yields. This will be playing a very important role. Okay, now let's talk about the chart of gold. First of all, yesterday the breakout we discussed worked nicely. I also told you guys that I took a small sell because I was having the gut feeling the market may go down, and I exited when I saw that my buy stop at 2120 triggered. I more or less I got the feeling that okay, oops, it was a bad decision. I exited from my sell and the buy position did pretty well. I exited 50% of the position at 2125 at 40 pips, because honestly speaking, I was not hoping for that upside. Okay, but still I continued with the 50% of the position and I exited at 2137, and more or less I got good profit. Today, at present, I do not have any position in the market right now because of some personal reason. Okay, tomorrow, so I'll be busy. Actually, tomorrow is my birthday. Today is my wife's birthday. Anyways, see, first of all, the strategy on gold still remains the same because we can clearly see that more or less fundamental factors are pointing that there is further upside on gold possible. So if you already have taken a buy on gold as a positional trader or swing trader, you can be on the trade because there is a good chance that market will break 2150 and go higher, and by the end of the month we may see gold around 2180 2200. Gold will not cross 2200 in the month of May, but still we can see gold around 2180 2190 as well. So as a positional trader, swing trader, if you have a buy, be on the trade. If you have a sell position on gold, try to exit the retracement around 2100. Okay, now if you are looking for fresh position in the market, then again the same strategy you can follow, which is buy at dip. What strategy? Buy at dip means whenever the market will be coming down for retracement, okay, you can go for a buy because the risk to reward ratio will be in your favor. Okay, and when the market doesn't come for retracement, because sometimes the market is so bullish, market doesn't come for retracement. In fact, on the chart of gold only, we have seen couple of times. Yesterday also we saw the market didn't come for retracement, market just went up. In that case, you can go for a buy at breakout. Okay, so let's understand one by one. So yesterday gold made a high of 2141, and as we all know, we have a resistance around 2150. So if gold crosses 2141, okay, if gold crosses tomorrow's, sorry, not yesterday's level also, it is very risky because gold will still be on the resistance zone. So if you're looking for a safe position, try to avoid any buying between 2141 2150, because at any point a reversal may come. Okay, by the US session or after news, if the market is extremely volatile, if you see market is very bullish, in that case you can look for a buy above 2150. You can go for a buy above 2150 if you see the market is very bullish, but no trading zone. Where no trading zone? 2141 to 2150, because this is a resistance zone where we have strong sellers present. So where there are strong sellers, obviously you don't want to buy. Okay, so once market will break 2150, then you can consider a buying. If market doesn't come for retracement and market straight away goes for a breakout. Clear? So this is our scenario number one, where you can look for a buy at breakout. Now let's look at the second scenario, that is buy at retracement or the buy at dip, which is also the safer and better strategy. At this moment, the best level to go for buy at retracement is around 2082 to 2080. This is the best level where we can look for a buy at retracement, because if we actually I'm just showing you once. I tried to draw FIBO on various time frames and I could see that 2080, okay, 2080 2082, this particular level is present on all the time frames. So we here also we can see that we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and this was the market dip last time. So 208082 seems to be the best level where we can look for a buy at retracement. Okay, and you can see we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around the 2104, and 2100 is a round number, so it's a psychological support. So you can say that we have 2104 to 2100 is the first level where we can look for a buy and retracement, and the second level is 2080 to 2082. Okay, but the problem with these two levels are they are far away from the current market price, and as you can easily predict that chances of market coming down to 2080 before US session are very less. Okay, in that case we can look for some immediate trading opportunity. Right now you can see I have switched to hourly time frame, and again here I'm using Fibonacci, and I could see that around 2113 to 2110 means 2113 to 2110 we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level where market has taken support previously. Along with that, you can also see we have the 50 moving average. So during the European session, if the selling pressure is not very high, as a day trader, you can also look for a bounce around this area. See, I'm trying to explain all these things so that you can learn just by watching my videos, and you don't need to join any workshop, including mine as well. See, finding your own edge in the market is the most important thing. Until and unless you find your own edge in the market, it will be very difficult for you to survive. And to find your own edge, you need to practice and practice. Okay. Anyways, so buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. The first level is around 2080, 2082. The second level is around, second best level is around 2100. And the levels are far away, so we can also look for a buy around 211310, especially during the European session if the selling pressure is not very high. But at the same time, we can also see that there is a good amount of selling pressure on US government bond yields. If the selling pressure on bond yields continue, then obviously gold will not come for retracement and it will start flying again. If that happens, we can look for a buy at breakout. In this case, 2141 is not the level because 2141 to 2150 is a whole resistance zone. Try to avoid any position around this area. If you are a risk taker, if you have experience, then you can look for a sell as well. But yes, if market breaks 2150, we can look for buy at breakout as well. But we have a news coming up. We have US JOLTS opening, as well as we have testimony from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So market will be volatile, and try to follow the trend of the market after news, because when fundamentals dominate, technicals usually fail. But we are retail traders, we have no say in fundamentals. So as a result, we are stuck with technicals. But at least we can decide when to go with the fundamentals and when to go with the technicals. So when today you will see market is volatile, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay. And my dear friends, the Hindi workshop is about to start from 9th 9 तारीख से हिंदी वर्कशॉप शुरू होने वाला 3 दिन का वर्कशॉप है, फॉलोड बाय 1 मंथ सपोर्ट, जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ आपको सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड डिटेल्स आर ऑन द वेबसाइट, सब कुछ वेबसाइट पे दिया हुआ है. एंड आपने शायद ऑलरेडी देखा होगा इसके बारे में, सो मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में बता के बोर नहीं करना चाहूँगा. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय, टेक केयर. एंड my dear friends, the market will be volatile. Please follow proper risk management. Market is very fragile right now. Okay, so do not gamble. Bye bye, take care.